friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making roasted broccoli and carrots. For this easy recipe, we need a head of broccoli, 3 carrots, and seasonings of your choice. I will use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and also olive oil. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I also lined the baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So now let's chop the vegetables. So broccoli and carrots, I washed them before making the video. And now let's cut the broccoli into florets. And now I will peel the carrots and cut them into thin slices. So I'm just going to slice it like this, a little bit on diagonal. And let's repeat with these 2 carrots. So now let's add the remaining carrots to the broccoli. And now let's season them and toss with oil. So I'll just pour a little bit of oil, and you can do it in a separate bowl or directly on a baking sheet. I just, think the less dishes to wash, the better. So I'll just drizzle it with oil. So use as much or as little oil as you like. It's just for flavor. Makes it more well roasted. And let's sprinkle the seasonings. This is salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now let's just toss in the seasonings and oil so it's well coated and distribute it evenly. And now let's put it in the oven. So again, I preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's put it in the oven and let it bake. So now broccoli and carrots have been cooking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, and they're ready. Let's take a look. Look at this broccoli and carrots. They look amazing, perfectly roasted. Take them out. Perfect. So now just let them cool down for about 5 minutes so they're as hot, and we'll try it. See, it's so healthy and delicious. Looks so good. So now it's been about 5 minutes, so they cooled down a little bit, and I'm ready to try it. Let's try it. So let me try a carrot and a small piece of broccoli. Mmm. So good. These vegetables are so tender and they have a deep roasted flavor and they're so healthy. You're going to love it. And it also looks so good with the bright green broccoli and the orange carrot. You will love this side dish. And it's even good enough for the parties. So for a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!